So hello my dear students, in earlier class we already discussed about the unit of length in large numbers in practices. Okay, in this class we have to discuss about the unit of weight or unit of mass. Okay, that is kilogram. That is kilogram or in grams or in milligram. Okay, kilogram, grams or milligrams. Is it right? So you go to the market. Okay, market. If we buy okay rice or wheat in the quantity of kilogram. Is it right? For example, so rice you buy 1 kg or 2 kg or 5 kg or 50 kg. Is it right? But in the case of for example ginger or chilies, okay, we need a very small quantity. Okay, so ginger or chilies, okay, so need very small quantity. At that time we can't do it in this unit. Okay, we can't do it in the quantity of kilograms. Okay, at that time we do it this ginger and chilies in the quantity of grams. Is it right? So therefore kilogram is greater than grams. Is it right? So kilogram is greater than grams. So therefore here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Is it right? 1 kilogram is equal to, okay, here 1 kg. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Is it right? Next is here milligram. Okay, milligram. For example, your medicine tablets in the unit of only milligrams. Okay, and that the weight of our medicine tablets in the unit of milligrams only. Okay, is not in the unit of grams, because the gram unit it is bigger. Okay, too bigger. So that's why the medicine tablets are measured in the unit of milligrams. So therefore here kilogram unit is greater than grams and grams unit is greater than milligrams. So therefore the milligram is very small quantity unit. Is it right? So therefore here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and is equal to here 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, means mg. Okay, mg means milligram and gm means gram and kg means kilogram. Is it right? So therefore here 1 kg, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, then how many milligram makes 1 kilogram? How many milligrams make 1 kilogram? See here, therefore is equal to 1000. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Is it right? So therefore here 1000 gram into 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So therefore into 1000 is equal to 10 lakh. Is equal to 10 lakh milligram. So 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to 10 lakh milligram. Is it right? So therefore here C, kilo. In last class we already discussed about this concept. Okay, kilo means it is 100,000 times 1000 times greater. Okay, next milli. Milli means 1000 times smaller. Is it right? 1000 times smaller. So that's why here the kilogram quantity is greater than grams and grams is greater than milligram. Is it right? So it is example on the kilogram and milligram unit. Okay, see here. A box, okay, one box contain 2 lakh, okay, one box contain 2 lakh medicine tablets, okay. In earlier I will told you, okay. So the medicine tablets weighing in the unit of milligram. Is it right? Because the quantity of the medicine tablets weight is too small, okay. That's why it is weighing in the unit of milligram. Is it right? See here, medicine tablet each weighing 20 milligram. Is it right? See here, 20 milligram. So therefore, what is the total weight of all the tablets? What is the total weight of all tablets in the box? In the box in the unit of grams and in the unit of kilograms. Okay. First we have to calculate the total weight of medicine tablets in milligrams. Okay, see here. So 2 lakh medicine. Is it right? See here. The weight of 2 lakh medicine tablets in milligram. So therefore here 20 each milligram. Okay, 20 milligram the weight of each medicine tablet. So that's why 20 into 2 lakh. 20 into 2 lakh. So is equal to 20 into 0, 0, 20 into 0, 0, 20 into 0, 0, and 0, 0. Next 20 to the 40. Is it right? So here 40 lakh milligram. Is it right? So 40 lakh milligram. The weight of all the tablets in the box in the unit of milligram is 40 lakh milligram. Is it right? So next one the weight of all tablets. The weight of all tablets in the box in gram. Okay, in gram. See here, first you have to know the 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Is it right? So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Is it right? So that's why we have to divide the 40 lakh milligram. It is in the unit of milligram. Okay. Now we have to this milligram quantity converts in the unit of gram. Okay. So Doreen converts the mg unit to the mg unit into grams. We have to divide it by 100. We have divided by 1000. Is it right? So therefore here 40 lakh divided by 1000 is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3. 30 get cancelled. Okay, so here 4000 grams here. The weight of all tablets in the box in gram is equal to 4000 gram. 4000 gram. Is it right? So next, now we have to convert the gram into kilogram. Gram into kilogram. So therefore here first we have to know the 1 kilogram. The 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Is it right? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So therefore here the weight of all tablets in the box in kilogram. Okay, so I told 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so therefore here 4000 divided by 1000 is equal to, so 30 get cancelled, remaining is 4. So here 4 kg, 4 kilogram. Is it right? So here the total weight of here okay, total weight of all tablets in the box in the unit of gram is 4000 gram, and in the unit of kilogram is 4 kilogram, and in the unit of milligram is 40 lakh milligram. Is it right? So I hope you understand how to convert the milligram into gram, okay, and gram into kilogram. Is it right? So we shall start here, okay. And the next class we have to discuss about the mass unit, means liquid quantity units. For example, liter, milliliter, okay, etc. So we shall start here. Thank you.